Good morning, students. Class 6, subject chemistry. I am your chemistry teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now, here we will discuss according to given point as written here. My dear student, how are you? I hope all of you very well and good there, and I hope all of you had done given holidays homework. Now here we will discuss according to now here written points, my dear students. So I hope do you understand and all of you had done proper work in your fair copy, and one by one in this video previously you had done proper work, and previous video already all of you had seen there some objective question answer, short question answer, and another explanation also all of you had done. And now here I will give the long question answer of lesson number 2 now here in this video, and remain explanations also now here given. So you will see and observe carefully, my dear student. I hope you will focus very carefully and given work already written in your fair copy properly, my dear student. See and observe. Now here you will see, my dear student. And can I ask, I hope आपने सभी ने बहुत सुंदर राइटिंग्स में बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया होगा। प्रीवियस वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी गिवन बहुत सारा वर्क आपको दिया गया है। देन आई होप यू विल हैव डन अगेन आल्सो वेरी गुड वर्क in your fair copy, my dear student. See and observe carefully. Okay, now here. Okay, my dear student, focus on your work. Now here in this video we will discuss according to written point. First point is remaining explanation of lesson number 2. Another second point is here remaining long question answer of lesson number 2 as it here you will see. Yes, first point is remaining explanation, and then second point is lesson number 2 long question answer also here according to given picture as it. See and observe. Yes, my dear student. Yes, another now according to this. See and observe. Yes, next. Now first of all I will revise whole summary of the lesson number 2. Yes, previously you had seen I had discussed according to here. Yes, first of all chemistry and food. Now already had discussed fertilizer, about pesticides. Yes, table also written downside. Now how possible the work on ground stage already picture is short here. Yes, related to insecticides, how will possible previously had discussed I had discussed. And what is the food processing? Okay, now already previously I had discussed. Next, yes, you will see here now related to food. Yes, about previously I had discussed. Yes, preservative. Okay, and now here yes, written so many preservative, antimicrobes type, antioxidant preservative. And the last of this page, yes, chemistry and medicine. So chart also and table also. Short the upper side here, see and observe. It's very most important related the question, long question also written in this video you will see. And chemistry and cosmetic, another point is here. Yes, already I discussed. So different type of, yes, compound used there. So yes, related to now here boric acid, yes, soap and detergent, yes, another long question related to given topic, soap. Okay, so previously I had discussed. See next, chemistry and clothing. Yes, now here previously I had discussed about the fibers. So now plant fibers, another long question related to about this, related to this topic, type of fibers. So now plant fiber, do you understand? Yes, cotton. Another animal fibers, this picture are related to here. Yes, okay, plant fibers. Yes, previously I had discussed. Now another point is here for related to long questions. Animal fibers, silk and wool. Next. Yes, this picture related to, yes, about animal fibers. Okay, my dear student. Previously I had discussed silk. Next, another is wool related to, this picture is now here in this page. So now here wool related to wool. Previously I had discussed. Next, yes, synthetic fibers. Now this page, previous video had discussed synthetic fibers. Yes, okay, and type of fibers. Another question also related to given topic of this page. Now, and the last remaining explanation, my dear student, I will discuss now here. Point of remembers also written. It is very most important related to short question answer and another questions. So it is very important you will revise, my dear student, carefully. So chemistry is involved with our life and supporting in agriculture, in daily life as a medicine and another ground stage. So chemistry help to grow more food using chemical fertilizer and pesticide. Another point is here, urea as a fertilizer. So DAP is a very, diammonium phosphate is very useful, potassium chloride and zinc for plant. So very useful fertilizer in agriculture. Without chemistry will not possible. If these type of supporting facilities not possible, so my dear student, think things the harm plants and crop are called pests and chemical we use to destroy. So do you know understand pesticides? So without pesticides will not possible very well and good crop. So it is very important. Yes, insecticide, rodenticides. Okay, previously I had discussed. So all given point is very important. Another is sodium benzoate, sulfur dioxide written here. So point to point is very important. So point to remember, you will revise, read. I hope already read at home. Okay, so another time you will free. Yes, यहाँ पे जो गिवन पॉइंट्स हैं उनको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद करेंगे. ओके, सो दीज पॉइंट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं फॉर एग्ज़ाम and for preparation for revision. So you will revise according to written point here is as it. See next. Yes, my dear student, I hope you understand. Another remain point also here. Yes, is also very important. Yes, cosmetic use, chemical like a boric acid. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, so yes, naturally you will take purchase from market. So also is very useful if you will go now their sites. And now another iron oxide, if we will apply the on window, iron windows, yeah, iron platform. So do you understand? Yes, so iron oxide coated red color paint will be there. If you will say train also you will say. Okay, so there iron oxide will be there. So my dear student, so similarly as that so many cosmetic product also. Yes, in a powder shape there will be color, without iron oxide will not possible. Yes, my dear student, cloth, natural fiber, synthetic fiber, we will prepare with the help of given instruction. So many experiment last time in exhibition already given the idea of synthetic fibers, my dear student, for class 6 student. So now next time I will discuss. Yes, see another fibers, synthetic fibers, so many fibers also here, my dear student. See and observe. Previously video already seen short question answer, already you had done, all of you. Next, yes, another, yes, objective question also had done all of you previously, video already given. Now again you will see. Yes, if there any correction you will see, check and according to me. Yes, first DAP is commonly used as, yes, already here written answer, proper answer is fertilizer. Which is the following sugar substitute? Yes, now here correction. Yes, so that is correction, please check. Now here, yes, you will see. And yes, sucrose answer. And third is the use of iodize. Iodize the help. Yes, yes, in salt carter. Yes, okay. And gas is the packet of potato chips, nitrogen. Okay, and the next, the which of the following is that? Now here, yes, terylene, yes, related to polyester. Okay, my dear student, next check, fill in the blanks. Urea gives nitrogen to soil, the answer is nitrogen. Next we will see, yes, one correction is here also, previous video, see and observe, sodium benzoate is used in food as a preservative. Okay, boric acid is used an antiseptic. It means removing, yes, seed in a cotton. Acrylics or yes, wool. Synthetic fiber, strong, yes. Right, true and false, please check. First, potassium chloride is used as a fertilizer, true. Vitamin C is the ascorbic acid, true. Talc is not a silicate, null, false. Penicillin is that anti-malaria, false. The invoice in China, false. A silk moth lay only the egg at the time, false. Yes. See and observe next. Yes. The wool of obtained from the live sheep is called wool wool, false. Dacron is the polyester fiber, true. Nylon is semi synthetic fiber, false. Because written point also related from your paragraph wise, you will see and observe. I hope already had read everyone, and now here already you will follow the given section now. And the last is here, last topic here, postscript. You will also read previous history, so many information here related how man-made medicine emerged in ancient times, so many work out related to given information printed here, so you will read carefully. The Indian Ayurveda system derives medicine from these sources. Similar system, my dear student. Yes, as a chemistry, advanced chemist found out of the chemical substance present in plant. So my dear student, you will read and carefully focus given related information, so it is for your memory. You will read. Yes, do you understand now? Here aspirin, yes. Now beginning of 19th century, extract, yes, yellow work was the found useful on the chemical investigations. It was found on as a organic acid was the active, yes, ingredients. Okay, another quinine. Do you not understand? It is the middle of the 17th century. It was the discovered that extract of the, yes, cinchona could be, yes, used to treating malaria. Yes, now this time is medicine very useful. This time spreadable disease related to. Okay, my dear student. Yes. So anti-malaria medicine, quinine. So now, yes, related to cinchona. So it is very important. Given information, remaining explanation is over. Now time is related to second point. Yes, my dear student. Long question answer. See and observe. You will write down in your fair copy as it. Okay, see. Long question answer. Question number 1. How does chemistry help us increase the production of crops? Answer. That we have to depend the foods on agriculture. Chemistry help us the produce the more crop following the point as by fertilizer, by pesticide, by fungicide. As it you will write down, my dear student. Plant require the few elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and zinc for growth, but the degrees after crops in soil, then we use chemical fertilizer to make up the loss of elements. By pesticide, insect and small animal harm the crop. We use pesticide, insecticides and rodenticides to kill pests. By fungicides to kill the fungicide, example by the plant disease. By herbicides kill the unwanted plant, and pesticides also synthetic size chemical. Question number 2. Write a note on food preservative. Answer. The food preservative. A food preservative involves the keeping properties of the food or it keeps to unspoiled or long period. Basically two type of food preservative. One is antimicrobial preservative. Yes, they check the grow these microbes are called germ, bacterial, fungi in the food. Example, sodium benzoate for pickle. Okay, so as a very useful preservative. And second, antioxidant preservative. They check the oxidation of food, the reaction of the food with oxygen. Example, sodium ascorbate for cheese. Next. Question number third, how are medicine generally classified? Give example of each type. Answer, the medicine are classified into the following type of according to these. Use the antibiotic medicine. Yes, for fever, example paracetamol, analgesic medicine. Yes, used for pain, killing pain, example aspirin, paracetamol. Another third, the malaria medicine is used to cure malaria, example quinine. This time is very useful generally for another spreadable disease. Do you understand? This type of very chronic disease spreadable, so quinine is very helpful. Anti-allergic medicine, yes, now prevent the reaction of the cold. Also dust, smoke, example, yes, cetrazine. Antibiotic medicine, it is used to destroying the microbes in case the disease like a dysentery. And another type of the example useful, ciprofloxacin and ciprofloxacin, penicillin as a antibiotic. So my dear student, question number 4, how are the soap produced? What are the, yes, glycerin soaps. Now previously I had discussed, now this time also given. So according to another fourth question also related previous discussed. Soap are obtained when oil and fat are heated with the caustic soda. Another name, my dear student, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Yes, yes, what? Now NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, yes, caustic soda. Yes, my dear student, it is the process is called saponification. Is in the process of soap we get soap and byproduct glycerin is a byproduct. If the glycerin may not be separate from the soap, then we get glycerin soap, which is more expensive the ordinary soap. You understand from market already? Yes, Pierce soap, yes, made by glycerin. Okay, my dear students, see and observe. Yes, next. Yes, question number 5, how are the fiber classified? Give example of each type. The answer, cloth is made of fiber. Fiber are twisted together to yield long threads of yarn. Basically two type of fiber. One is natural fiber and the synthetic fiber or artificial fibers. First is natural fiber. Against are two kind of plant fibers. Do you know? Cotton, animal fibers, yes, wool and silk. Plant fibers are obtained from the plant like a cotton, flax and jute. Animal fiber, silk and wool. Silk obtained from silkworm, wool obtained from sheep. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are made of polymer synthesized in the laboratory. Two type of synthetic fibers are, one is synthetic fibers, example rayon, and second purely synthetic fiber, polyester. So as it you will do, my dear student, please complete your work in your fair copy, I hope. Yes, so for as it you will write down, first of all, yes, heading and question with black pen. and answer with blue pen. You will write down neat and clean as it my dear student. Long question answer, short question answer in your fair copy lesson number 2 properly you will write down. Okay, another remain question I will give next time. There is diagram also, so no any problem. So according to this you will write down given information as it in this video my dear student. Yes, please complete all of you. Okay, so it is very most important my dear student. Yes, please you will do carefully. Okay, yes my dear student, all of you do carefully. Yes, see and observe. So my dear student, now here, yes, all given work as it you will write down long question answer, okay, in your fair copy. Okay, now another talking related to you. So if my dear student, yes, you बहुत अच्छी तरीके से, बहुत सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग करिए. इफ़ एनी प्रॉब्लम आई विल गिव in front of you by face easily and check your basic need, and I will provide better performance yourself. You will do implementation and any problem जो भी होंगे आई विल सॉल्व यू प्रॉपर तरीके से. आप सारा कुछ करिए एज इट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है यू विल आस्क एंड आई विल गिव द प्रॉपर आइडिया द नेक्स्ट वे. यस, वेरी इजीली, and I will display in my video with a written work with draw. Yes my dear student, I hope you will do very well as it previously. Okay, yes, thank you my dear student. I hope do you understand. Please complete your work properly. Yes my dear student, thank you my dear students.